So guys, today we're changing spark plugs on the 2023 CI. That's a 5-speed manual, E46. And we have a P0305 code, right? And that's giving us a check engine light ever so often. Cleared it a few times, it came back, but I would say within probably 50 to 70 miles or less, right? So first we pop these covers off of here, just using this flathead. All right, and I believe that's an 8mm. Let's see here. Very trusty. No, that's a 10, guys. Hold on. All right, so we got the 10 in here, and we're just gonna pop those two loose. All right, and get the cover off so we can get to the spark plugs and the coils. Hold on. And don't forget to take the oil cap off, and this should pop right up. Oops. One-handed operation here. And just like that, guys, she's off. And always like to go and cover this back up just in case, so nothing falls in there. All right, and here we're looking at our coils, and below that is going to be our spark plugs. And for this firing order, we're going to count from the front of the motor, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and 5 is the one that's giving us some issue, so we're gonna go ahead and do the, actually there's a deductive way of doing it to find out which one it is by swapping the coils and the plugs and see if the misfire come back on the on the other one, so that way we know. But I already know what the issue is, so I'm going to go ahead and swap out both the coil and take a look at the plug and see the condition of that plug, and that should be it, guys. And what I'm going to use today is this here. We found this on Amazon, and it's a cool package here. I think I saw this from Chris Fix-It or Buddy DIY, one of those guys. And they introduced this set here that should cover all your spark plug needs, or most of your spark plug needs. All right, it's called the Astro. It's a 9404 eBay special. All right, hold one. And to get it started, all I did was just use something like a flathead here and just pop that up. All right, during this process you want to unplug your battery, all right, to avoid any shorts. And then we have two 10mm bolts right there, and that should come free. All right, and once you take that last screw out, you just hear that satisfied popping noise. You can just pull that straight out. All right, but first let's go and unplug this from this. All right, and it should come apart like that, very easy. And take this out, look in here. If some residue there, and that's what she looks like, guys. And our spark plug is going to be way down in there. All right, so this should be the 5/8. All right, and these are 3/8 drives. All right, and the beauty about this is that it's magnetic on the inside, so you're not going to lose your plug. Example, I use an old plug here as an example, guys. So the beauty of this is, you see that there's a magnet in here, and it's in there pretty good. So that's right there, that's magnetic, and that's going to hold on to your plug and allow you to pull it straight up without falling or, you know, getting lost in the engine bay. All right, so that's it. Oh, sorry, the other beauty about this is that it also flexes, so you can get into them tight spots. All right, and this is the setup, guys. I use a extension into that 5/8 socket there, and or 3/8 socket, but it's a 5/8 for the plug. All right, and that was able to bend just enough to give me enough room to work that plug out of there. All right, and this is what I'm talking about, guys. You see how that comes out, so it's not going to fall into the crevice or anything. And this is our plug. Work that out of there. It's kind of hot. Just like that, guys, we have changed the coil and the plug. Pretty simple. That's why I like these straight sixes. Very simple, straightforward, no frills. All right, we're running good. The real test will be after it's been driven for a while, and, you know, see if that misfire comes back. If not, we're cooking. All right, one key out.